Are you looking for the top 5 must-have smart car gadgets? How much should you actually spend on smart car gadgets? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1. Astro AI L7 Tire Inflator. First up, we have the Astro AI L7 Tire Inflator, priced at $22.99. What caught my attention here is its cordless design and the built-in LED light, making it super practical for on-the-go tire inflation. If you want a reliable way to keep your tires properly inflated, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The L7 can pump your tire from 30 to 36 psi in just 1.5 minutes, so you won't be stuck on the side of the road for long. Plus, with a 150 psi maximum, it can handle various inflatables, from car tires to sports balls. The automatic shutoff feature is a big plus, preventing overinflation, and the digital display provides real-time pressure readings, which is crucial for safety. This has been flying off the shelves, with over 50,000 sold in just the past month, proving it's a popular choice. Now, some people complained about the noise level, which sits at 80 decibels. Here's the thing though. Yes, it's a bit loud, but when you're in a roadside emergency, I think a few moments of noise is worth the quick inflation. This is perfect for you if you enjoy road trips and want to avoid the hassle of a flat tire. Skip this one if you need something designed for heavy-duty vehicles, as it's not compatible with those.
Product number 2. Leeson Retractable Car Charger. Next up is the Leeson Retractable Car Charger, priced at $16.99. This caught my attention because of its retractable design, which seriously cuts down on cable clutter. If you've got multiple devices to charge during your drives, this is a game changer. The Leeson charger features 2 retractable cables and can charge up to 4 devices simultaneously, which is perfect for family road trips. It supports fast charging up to 84W, ensuring your gadgets won't run out of juice while you're on the go. Plus, it's compatible with a wide range of devices, including the latest iPhones and Samsung models. If you often find yourself fumbling with tangled cords, this one offers a neat solution. Now, some users mentioned that it doesn't support data transfer or CarPlay. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily looking for a charger and not for syncing data, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you have a busy lifestyle and need to charge multiple devices on the road. Skip this one if you want a charger that can also facilitate data transfer. You'll get good value for your money with the convenience it offers. Alright, that was a solid op.
Product number 3. Amazon Basics Emergency Escape Tool. Now, let's talk about the Amazon Basics Emergency Escape Tool, which is an incredibly affordable $8.99. The bright orange color really stands out, and the compact design means it can easily fit in your glove compartment. If you're looking for something that could literally save your life, this is worth considering. This tool includes a seatbelt cutter and a window breaker, which are essential features in case of an emergency. It's compact but effective, and the protective bracket keeps it safe until you need it. This kind of tool could make all the difference in a critical situation, giving you peace of mind when driving. With over 10,000 units sold recently, it clearly resonates with safety-conscious drivers. However, some users mentioned that it might be a bit hard to use if you're not familiar with how it works. Here's the thing though, a quick review of the instructions can help you master it, and having it on hand can be a lifesaver when you need it most. This is perfect for you if you want to be prepared for any driving emergencies. Skip this one if you prefer larger, more feature-rich safety tools. At this price, it's a solid investment in your safety. Now, if you're looking for
Product number 4. High-C-and-Low Car Seat Gap Filler. Next is the High-C-and-Low Car Seat Gap Filler, priced at $10.79. Honestly, this might not seem like a gadget, but if you've ever lost your keys or phone down that annoying gap, you know how frustrating it can be. If you want to keep your car organized, this is worth a serious look. The gap filler fits snugly between your seat and the console, preventing items from slipping through. It's made from durable PU leather and is easy to clean, so it's not just practical but also adds a bit of style to your car's interior. Plus, it takes just seconds to install, no tools required. This is a great solution for maintaining a cleaner car environment, especially since it's been bought over 5,000 times in the last month. Now, some people complained about the size compatibility, saying it didn't fit all vehicles perfectly. Here's the thing though, just make sure to check your gap size before purchasing, and it should work for most cars. This is perfect for you if you want to keep your essentials handy and your car looking neat. Skip this one if your car has an unusually large gap or you prefer high-tech solutions. Overall, it's a smart buy for its price. Alright, that covers some practical gadgets. But if you're into style, the last product on this list will...
Product number 5. Govee Car LED Lights. Finally, we have the Govee Car LED Lights, priced at $19.99. What really caught my eye here is the app control feature, allowing you to customize your car ambiance easily. If you want a way to personalize your ride, this is definitely worth checking out. These LED lights come with RGB colors and multiple modes, including music mode that syncs with your tunes. They're super easy to install and can transform your car's atmosphere instantly, making every drive feel a bit more special. With over 5,000 units sold recently, it's clear that a lot of people are loving this upgrade. However, some users mentioned issues with the adhesive not sticking well over time. Here's the thing though, if you take the time to clean the surface before applying, you can improve adhesion significantly. This is perfect for you if you love to customize your car and want to enhance the driving experience. Skip this one if you're not into flashy lights or if you prefer a more straightforward car aesthetic. For what you get, it's a fun addition to your car. So, we've covered some fantastic gadgets today, from ensuring your tires are inflated, to keeping your phone charged, and even enhancing your car's safety and aesthetics. Each of these products can bring something unique to your driving experience. To wrap it up, we've looked at the Astro AI tire inflator for quick inflation, the Listen car charger for staying powered up, the Amazon Basics escape tool for safety, the Hycene low gap filler for organization, and the Govee LED lights for style. Each gadget addresses a specific need, making them valuable additions to your car. Whether you're focused on safety, convenience, or personalization, there's something here for everyone.